Hi there, Ed Mikowski with Riveredge Nature Center here, working as I usually am behind the camera for Riveredge. This morning I've been pruning my apple tree, and you get these nice little twigs that are real small and skinny, but rather than throwing them away or immediately composting them or chopping them up too small, I've been cutting them into, say, 3 to 6 inch lengths, so that birds can take them away and use them as nesting material. So I've just been throwing them in my, as you can see, not much going on yet this year, my raspberry patch, so that if birds see them and find them useful, they can take them away and use them as nesting material throughout my neighborhood. And I would encourage you to do the same thing so that you can hear more birds this spring throughout your neighborhood. Thanks for joining us on Riveredge Virtual Naturalist. Have a great day.